What's up, guys? I know this is going to be a weird video for me, but probably not because I'm weird anyways. You guys know this. So my wife looked up a recipe on how to make vegan hot dogs out of carrots. And it's not really, I'm not going to go through the process of how to do it. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do a video and kind of like my reaction to them, how I feel about them. And I'm going to post a picture of her recipe that she just Googled it and she made a grocery list. So I took a picture of that. And then we are going to show the finished product, what it kind of looks like, and I'll get a real reaction of me eating it in real time to show you what I really think about it and see what you guys think. So check it out. Here's a hot dog the wife made from carrots. That's actually a carrot, and it's been soaking in liquid smoke, garlic, paprika, salt, a little bit of vinegar overnight. And she fried it on the frying pan, and I warmed up the bun. I'm gonna put a little bit all right, let's see now. I'm gonna try it, tell you how it tastes. Here we go. Man, the consistency is very, I mean, it's soft, kind of like a hot dog. It's a little bit crunchier than a hot dog, but still soft, which is neat. And it tastes good. It's got a very little sour kind of taste to it, but I mean, I like it, and especially with the mustard on it. It looks like inside literally a carrot, a big carrot soaked in all that marinade. I enjoy it. I think if I was having a outing with somebody and we wanted to do brats and hot dogs, and we're looking for, you know, a filler that you wanted if you're plant-based, which I'm kind of, you know, mostly plant-based. It's good. I would think that it was not a hot dog, but really close. It's kind of like, so when people try the Beyond stuff, if you're plant-based and you tell people try this Impossible whatever or this Beyond whatever, or even the other stuff that's not the big popular ones, I never tell people you need to, it's just like beef. I mean, honestly, the Beyond is pretty close to me. It tastes really, really close to what I remember beef tasting like. It smells like it too. But I just tell them this is going to be like a substitute. Like, don't eat this burger thinking this is going to taste identical to the burger. It's probably not. But is it enjoyable? Is it edible? And this hot dog, carrot hot dog, it's enjoyable and edible. I really like it. I don't think that I'm like missing anything or taking a substitute or lesser. It's good. With some chips, man. Thumbs up.